Hi there. Yeah, I had a great ride. Great ride on the train. So fun. I got to see England along the coast, experience the train. Now I'm in the train station and I have no idea where I'm going next, but I'm just going to explore and see where it takes me. So I'm pretty excited about that. Having fun. Just on a big adventure to see what I can see, you know? Just checking it out. Yep. Go up the Royal Mile. Okay, what else is good to see? I don't even know. So anything that you put on here, anybody, any ideas you have, if you've been here, you can let me know, because everything is new for me right now, right? Yes, I'm traveling on my own. So I'm just as free as the breeze. I just came here for the day. I may stay overnight. I may hop a train back to Newark. I don't know. Oh, okay, Princess Street Gardens. Okay. Take in all these suggestions and then I'll check it out and see what I can find, right? Yep. Brave or just, I don't know what. Just having fun. Just having fun. It's fun to watch people, fun to see new places. Love seeing all of the farm ground. Down the grass market. Okay. All right. Good morning. Yeah, I'm just checking it out. I don't know what's here, so you're checking it out with me, because I don't even know. Hollywood Palace. Oh, this is pretty in here. Wow. Guess you can get food, lots of shops around here, and people waiting for the trains, right? Okay, up to the castle. Yeah, it's the castle that's here, the one that I saw as I came in on the train. Okay, all right, because that's not very far from here, is it? Walking distance, probably, huh? To the castle? Is it walking distance? 5 minutes? Oh my gosh, well, that's easy. I'll just go walking then. Okay. So I just gotta find my way out of here and go for a walk, eh? Right? Yep. Just checking it out, seeing what's here. Well, so for those of you who have never been here, this is all new, right? You're joining me with this little adventure, you know? It's like wandering around, wondering what the heck to do. It's like I'm checking it out too. Like, okay, there's the ticket machines for future reference, you know. Well, I'm excited to really check this out here and see what it's like, you know. Really excited. So turn left, like that way. Is this my way out to Market Street, or what? Taxis? Yes, no, yes, no. Up that way? You like checking it out with me? Yes, up that way? That's where I need to go? We got hearts because that's where I need to go? That's great, that's great. Hi, Jim. Who we got on here? I'll look. Felicia, Alan, Bill and Jim, Sally Ann, Paz, Julie, Ann. I can see some of you. Yeah. Hello, Felicia. Hello. It says this is the way out. Correct? It says. To Waverly Bridge? Yes. Is there a directory? Well, there probably is somewhere. I have a Periscope directory. How's that? Just take my friends with me, right? Oh, don't tell me it's raining here. Could be. If it is a little sprinkling, and I did not bring my umbrella. I left it at your house, Sally Ann. It's Scotland, right? See, I'm learning.